Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to use Lemon8. So let's get started. So the first step you will have to do is to go to your App Store or Play Store and download the application. Next, just open it up. Now here it may ask you to send you notifications, so you can allow this or not. Now here it will ask you some basic questions like your date of birth and also your pronouns. So make sure to select the options. And in here it will also ask for your interests, so make sure to choose the ones you like and then click on next. Now you will need to create your account. So you can create your account by using Google, your email, your Apple, your Facebook, and also you can just directly log in using your TikTok. And then you will just need to follow the on-screen instructions like just setting up your profile and adding your username. But for example, if you choose login with TikTok, all of these will be already filled. And then as you can see, the interface already matches with TikTok a lot. So if you have used TikTok, then navigating through this interface won't be hard for you. At the bottom menu you'll see your home screen, and then towards the right of it you'll see a search icon from which you can explore specific content you like. And then at the main bottom plus icon you can create your own content. And then towards the right of it, the bell icon shows you your notifications, and the right of it is your profile. So when you're at the home tab, at the top you'll see different topics like food, beauty, fashion, etc. And you can choose these to watch content related to them. And right at the top you'll also see the For You page and also the Following page. Under the Following page you'll only see content from the creators you follow. You can also like the videos and follow people. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.